and stop the wicket and good ball stop. A good stop the wicket there, good for Pakistan, 69 for ball, wicket and oh, beautiful shot and good ball Sherwas and Como. Wow, what a shot, slow ball stop the wicket, good ball. What a shot, beautiful. Oh, ball and the match is gone. What a shot, they hit the ball, what a shot, the clean ball. Wow, what a shot, good Umar, good for Pakistan. And starting Shada Pidi, 88 runs and 48 ball. Shot. On six, they hit the last good bowling. Long, say hit the ball six. Wow, what a shot, hit the clean the ball six in Australia. Wow. And start the wicket there, good ball. What a Utain, hit the last in the wicket there, good ball. 69 for ball, he last good for Pakistan. And South Africa, and what a shot in Graceman and Khash Mamla. What a good partnership. Good partnership. 280, 38 coming the batting. Khash Mamla, 122 and divider 128 as score stop the wicket. And starting and shot in 24 Junaid Khan won the second. Oh, what a stop the wicket one. And good ball, stop the wicket in. Oh, second, hit last a good long six, up the plastic, good ball stop. Wow, what a shot, slow ball, stop the way, hit the ball, long taken. Oh, what a shot, what a good ball, what a shot, hit last in the good ball stop in the wicket end. Oh, bullet, what is it, Madusa ball, what a US stop the wicket. Wow, what a shot. Good ball, stop the wood. And good. Oh, LPW is gone the U. Oh, what a shot. Oh, it's gone. What a U the ball, good ball, stop. Wow, what a shot the U. What a shot the wicket there, good ball started. And the cricket there, good ball start. Good for Pakistan, 69 for ball, he last good ball.